Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today we've come out to a job where we suspected that there was some collapsed pipe, and you can see us digging back there. But what we had to do is we got out our drain cleaning machine with our cable. We cut a hole here in the pipe. We sent our cable up the line, and you can see up here where we found the collapsed section of pipe. It's just totally collapsed. Apparently a truck or a skid loader back bobcat has run over this area, probably when they were putting sod down, and it just totally collapsed that pipe. So we're going to go ahead and replace it. We're going to show you how to do that. Real simple repair. You just got to expose the collapsed section, cut it out, put a new piece of pipe in. So we could cut this with a saw, but usually if you've got a good shovel and you get lucky, you can cut it with a shovel. You just slice it right through, and you can see I went right through it. Nice clean cut. So you look right here. Nice clean cut all the way through. Do the same thing at the other end. We'll pull this out. We'll pull this out and we'll go ahead and trench the section, put a new piece of pipe in. Same thing here. If you get lucky, with a good sharp shovel, you can cut right through it. Almost. There we go. So now we're just going to lift it up. We're just going to lift it up, pull it out. So you can see what it looks like, a collapsed section of 4-inch corrugated. It really does tend to collapse, but you know what? PVC does the same thing. This is not Schedule 40, and it's just barely under the ground, so you drive something heavy over it, it does collapse. Second piece on, same thing, just twist it until you get tight. We're all set. Cover it up. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.